Good day, dear friends. With you is Natalia on the Doctor Online channel, where I share my personal experience, answer your questions, and conduct individual consultations. Today we will talk with you about how you can quickly and easily lower high blood pressure at home. A spike in blood pressure is far from harmless. In this situation, the possibility of developing serious cardiovascular catastrophes and primarily strokes and heart attacks increases many times over. Anyone suffering from hypertension is constantly taking certain tablets that allow them to control their blood pressure level. But these tablets, recommended by doctors for constant treatment, are not suitable at all in extreme cases. Drugs capable of quickly reducing blood pressure should be in the personal pharmacy of everyone suffering from this ailment. At the same time, everyone should know how to use them. So, in most cases, during a hypertensive crisis, Capoten helps, which quickly and rather gently reduces blood pressure. In this situation, the most effective method is sublingual, in which the Capoten tablet needs to be chewed and placed under the tongue. This contributes to the rapid entry of the drug into the blood and effective reduction of arterial pressure in the shortest possible time. At present, many of us resort to the use of the drug Physiotens, other names moxonidine or tenzotran, the mechanism of action of which is associated with its influence on the central mechanisms of arterial pressure regulation. Physiotens, perhaps, is one of the effective drugs for coping with hypertensive crisis at home. However, many patients, as practice shows, independently cancel all drugs prescribed by the treating doctor and switch to taking this drug, Physiotens, for the constant treatment of hypertension. This is definitely not what should be done. In some cases, a sharp increase in blood pressure is accompanied by an increase in pulse, an increase in the number of heart contractions. Many describe this condition as if the heart wants to burst out of the chest. In this situation, anaprylin helps quite well. This drug also has the ability to relieve stress, often accompanying a hypertensive crisis. To relieve stress during a rise in blood pressure, the previously used valerian root tablets have not lost their relevance and are still applicable. In some cases, this remedy is capable of reducing the figures of high blood pressure. However, it should be remembered that the effect of valerian develops not so quickly. There are times when a jump in blood pressure catches you off guard, when there is nothing at hand. What should be done in this situation? There are several reliable methods that can quickly lower high blood pressure numbers without resorting to medication. Don't be surprised that high blood pressure numbers can be quickly lowered using hot and cold water. It sounds paradoxical at first glance, but nonetheless, it's a fact. If you literally stand under a hot shower for 10 minutes, it will lead to the expansion of blood vessels, and it can even lower blood pressure. You can achieve a similar effect by alternately dipping your hands or feet in a basin with cold and hot water for 2 to 3 minutes. Cold water lowers blood pressure through a different mechanism, reducing the number of heart contractions. Did you know that apple cider vinegar foot baths can lower blood pressure in just 15 minutes? To do this, you need to soak a cloth in the vinegar, fold it into several layers, and apply it to your feet. The method of delayed breathing is effective for quickly lowering blood pressure. For this, you need to take a slow breath in and out with a subsequent 5-second delay in breathing on the exhale. Approximately like this. This method is indispensable for those who need to urgently lower their blood pressure. This is an exercise, a breath hold on the exhale. You can repeat it several times. Dear friends, if any of your relatives suffer from high blood pressure attacks, just show compassion and try to calm them down. Quite often, the mere desire to help a person close to you is capable of working wonders, and without medication provide invaluable assistance in reducing blood pressure. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss many new, interesting and useful videos. And be healthy.